The United States is blocking the Venezuelan government from paying for Nicolás Maduro's legal representation in his U.S. federal drug trafficking case. What just happened? The U.S. government is preventing Venezuela from using government funds to pay for Maduro's defense in New York. His lawyer Barry Pollock told a federal judge, saying Treasury Department sanctions relief that briefly allowed it was revoked without explanation. In a letter dated Feb. 20 and made public Wednesday, Pollock wrote that Venezuelan law and custom dictate the government must cover the legal expenses of both Mr. Maduro and his wife. He said Maduro has a legitimate expectation that the Venezuelan government pay his fees and that he otherwise cannot afford counsel. Pollock argued that under those norms, the government of Venezuela should be allowed to pay the fees. For context, Maduro and his wife Cilia Flores have pleaded not guilty to drug trafficking charges in New York, where they face decades in prison. They were captured in a dramatic U.S. raid on Caracas in January and remain jailed awaiting trial. The dispute involves the U.S. Treasury Department, U.S. District Judge Alvin Hellerstein, and Venezuela's interim government, which is now led by Delcy Rodriguez following Maduro's capture. What's confirmed? The U.S. is blocking Venezuela from paying Maduro's legal defense fees, according to his defense lawyer and reporting by Reuters. For impact, the move raises questions about sanctions policy, international legal norms, and how far the U.S. will go to restrict the financial support available to a sitting or former head of state facing U.S. prosecution. That is the update for now. You are watching NewsBreakWire.